Hey guys, this is a 2022 Ford Superduty 7.3 gas. Just want to do a little driving experience here. This is the XLT. I have the small screen base model. Just so you can get an idea of the cabin noise. This truck is not the Tremor, but I do have 35-inch Duratrack tires. They're 285 75/18, which I believe is what comes stock on Tremor. I swapped out the OEM ones on this truck because I needed a more aggressive winter tire. Overall, it's very quiet and pretty smooth. The truck was smoother with the factory tires. The Duratracks here definitely ride rougher and make more road noise, but I'm okay with the trade-off with the better traction and winter driving. I won't run these year round. I'll put on some summer tires and summer wheels come the summer, but the only problem is, since I put on these tires, the speedometer is off about 5 miles per hour at highway speeds, 3 miles per hour here, so I'm really doing like 40. When you're doing 70, according to the speedo, you're actually doing 75. So I got to get that fixed with 4Scan or with a tuner. When I get 5-star tuning, I think I have the ability to change that and lower the tire pressure sensor thresholds. But I just wanted to give you a little driving experience here. So we're cruising along at like between 35 and 45 miles per hour. We are in 10th gear. Truck stays in 10th gear most of the time. It has plenty of power, guys. I'm coming from a tuned Cummins with weight loss, if you catch my drift. Switch back to gas. This truck has plenty of power. That was about half throttle. Road manners, not the best. I would say the Cummins handled better, rode softer, not necessarily smoother, but it was softer. The Superduty rides like a truck. It definitely, you hit bumps, it's more of a thud. It rides rougher. Not necessarily a bad thing. Put some weight in the bed or toe and it rides better than empty. I have 4,300 miles on it now. I'm really liking the truck. I'm getting about 13.5 to 14 miles per gallon. I can't go off of what the display says here because it says 13.3, but the tire size is not correct, so that is off. But hand calculated, around 14. Not bad. This truck does have the 430 gears. Bulletproof mount right there. No sunroof. Cabin's pretty quiet. It seems a lot quieter than my Cummins, but you know, that the Cummins diesels they make some noise, especially when you have a straight pipe exhaust on it. Sounded amazing, but obviously way louder in the cabin. So this truck is very quiet compared to that. Here we go. So add like 3 or 4 miles per hour to that. So we're doing 45, 9th gear. Just cruising right along. Now it's in 10th gear. Can't even feel the shift. Back down to 9th. Give it some gas. 7th. So this guy's turning. We're on the brakes. Back on the gas. 6th gear. Give it a little gas on the straightaway. Ready? Gets up and goes for a fast, or sorry, not a fast truck, for a heavy truck. Heavy truck with the gas motor, it will move. It's not fast, or it's not quick, I should say, but it's torquey. I really like the 7.3. But, alright guys, subscribe for more, stay tuned.